Hey there today. We're going to share with you an exciting and memorable night out in Mississauga, Canada during a snowy winter night. So buckle up and join us on this snowy night adventure from the streets to the cinema. It all started on a chilly winter night in Mississauga, a city in Canada. The city was blanketed in thick snow and the cold wind swept through the streets. Despite the harsh weather, we decided to step outside and experience the snow-covered city at night. As we ventured out, we navigated the icy roads. The roads were slick with ice and cars moved cautiously, their headlights reflecting off the snow. Traffic was slower than usual, with drivers carefully making their way through the storm. After a thrilling drive, we arrived at the city center. The city center is a hub of activity, even on a snowy night. We parked our car and made our way to the cinema, eager to enjoy a movie in this winter wonderland. As we walked through the snow-covered streets, we took in the beauty of the city. The snowflakes fell gently, creating a magical atmosphere. The city was lit up with holiday lights, adding to the festive spirit. The cinema was a cozy oasis in the midst of the winter storm. We settled into our seats and enjoyed the movie, forgetting for a moment the snowy night outside. After the movie, we stepped back out into the snowy night. The city was even more beautiful at night, with the snow glistening under the streetlights. We took a moment to appreciate the beauty of the city and the winter wonderland we had experienced. And that, folks, is our snowy night adventure in Mississauga. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us, and we can't wait to share more exciting experiences with you.